a fresh new episode 57, and as promised yesterday, we have started with the flooring work in the common passage area. We'll be gradually moving from the common passage to the dining, living, followed by passage, and later on kitchen. Well, in the kitchen area, I have a different flooring, so definitely kitchen flooring area will be separate. Here in the living room, we have started with the flooring area. The floor tile which I am going to use is 64 inches by 32, and we have started with the passage because usually before starting the flooring we plan it in the 2D with regards to minimum wastage and effective floor joints. So we have started with the common passage. Yesterday I had shown you the covering of the floor tile by joints by eyebrow tip. Today we have completed the covering of the flooring, and we have initiated with the wall punning of this bedroom. Even the balcony area floor has been covered. Floor protection or floor covering is highly essential because to safeguard that from abrasions or jerks or pressures. In the kids bedroom we have completed the wall panning, and the false ceiling also I have covered, so it's almost done in the kids bedroom with regards to false ceiling and the wall panning area. Thank you so very much guys. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.